Welcome back. My name is Kieron Seamons, and this is my inky world. It's a very sad week. This week I lost a very special, very important person in my life. I lost a person that has helped me and many other people, and it's a very sad loss. It's a very sad loss for the world. It makes you think about how and why the world is set up this way. That we lose the good people. Why do we always lose the good people? So today's drawing today's drawing is for him. Thank you. Welcome back to my inky world. And today we're going to do a very special drawing. I have no idea what it's going to be, but that's part of the fun, right? So we are just going to start and see where it takes us, okay? Today's drawing is dedicated to a very special person. I'm not going to talk too much about it because that'll just make things very difficult. But I'm going to try and do a nice fun drawing because he was a very fun guy. Always had a kind word, always had a fantastic sense of humor. And I want to keep that in today's drawing. I guess that is also part of the beautiful thing about art, He was always there through my struggles and my successes. One of the very few people that see both sides of it, With every success there is a failure. Not a failure maybe, but with every success there is a struggle. So today I'm going to draw a very happy man. And I'm going to give him those big sticky out ears because that's what he had too. Man, there's some people that, there's some people that need to stay in this world, There's some people that make everything so much easier for other people. Their sense of humor and their kindness and their wit and make everything bearable, Some people you just don't think are ever going to not be there. And when they're not, sometimes it's everybody loses somebody. That's the sad thing about this life, It's like everybody has to come to that day. It's a very, very, very hard thing to face up to. Now it seems I've got ink all over my jumper or my shirt or whatever. So today it's you see, I can see he's doing that, you know. It's like he's looking down and saying, "I'm gonna make this difficult for you." You're definitely making it difficult for me. Definitely one of the most incredible people I've ever met. That is for sure. And I'm gonna sadly miss. You know, I'm not really that type of person. You know, I kind of get very kind of I do everything on my own, you know. I've always kind of been that way. But sometimes when people disappear, wow, you do kind of realize what a huge hole they leave, you know. I'm sure some of you will understand. I kind of got this idea of him kind of like dancing or something, you know, like he would definitely be having a lot of fun at this point, watching everybody else going through this. Let's get another hand going there. Today's drawing is for everybody out there that's lost somebody. That's what today's drawing is all about. The memory of a loved one. I'm just going to kind of give those big long straggly fingers. Give his tie. Lovely. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some wings on him, because definitely he deserves wings. He deserves bigger and more beautiful wings than most other people I've met in my life. And that's one beautiful big wing. And I hope this means something to you as well. Get all the wings, all those big feathers coming up. Beautiful. Just getting the wings coming down up there. Kind of like trying to make it a happy feeling, you know. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of a twist on this one. I'm going to give him some shorts. And out of these shorts, is going to be the longest, the longest, skinniest, straggly legs any man has ever had. He definitely had an amazing bird legs. So I'm gonna give him some bird legs. I'm sure he would find it funny. So a sense of humor he had, and I'm sure he would enjoy the fun of this picture. An angel with bird legs. Here we are. It's always good to remember somebody with a laugh, isn't it? Another skinny bird's leg. We'll put on there. Thank you very much for watching today. It's a very difficult one today. But with a beautiful meaning. And I hope nobody laughs at your bird legs up in heaven. The skinniest legs known to any man, I'm sure. So we need to get some clouds in there behind it. Put a few clouds up there. And you will never, never be forgotten, bird leg. That's for sure. It's a very short one today. And thank you for watching. Beautiful. I'm very happy with that. I'm sure he would be too. So let's put a brush. Let's put a frame on this. Seal it with a good sense of humor, hopefully. In memory of an amazing person. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. And I will see you all again very, very, very soon. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you all again very, very, very soon. Okay? See you soon. Bye-bye.